Good day everyone. So as a mobile mechanic since 2024, I will show you my way how to check the battery health using only multimeter if you don't have a fancy tools like Midronix. So using multimeter, set the multimeter to 12 volts DC and connect the positive probe to the positive terminal of the battery and also the negative probe to the negative terminal of the battery. And make sure your battery voltage is above 12.50 because this is not applicable when your battery is lower than 12.50. After that, start the engine and make sure watch carefully because it takes only seconds to read the voltage drop of the battery. That is the reference to determine the battery health of the battery. Okay, let's start. Start. So we noticed the voltage drop of the battery after starting is 9.3. So the battery is now bad, so we have to replace the battery. If the battery reading during starting is 9.6 and above, that is good. But the reading is 9.6 below, you have to replace your battery. That's the way I check the battery health. Thank you.